The V810V Home Phone Connect device brings modern technology to your telephone line. By offering voice over LTE for HD voice support and up to 6-person conference calling, this device is designed to replace traditional landlines and ensures dependable connectivity and high-quality voice communications with 2 RJ11 ports through the LTE network. The V810V operates with FSK frequency modulation. This is important to understand in pairing with a phone device that supports the standard, as well as the fax machines that support T30 G711 fax protocol. Other devices may work but are not supported. The V810V features an easy-to-read LCD display, making it simple to operate and configure with caller ID. Equipped with a standby battery, the device is provided with AA batteries for backup operations, or it can be paired with an optional 2500 mAh rechargeable battery. This ensures that you stay connected during power outages and other crucial events. Additionally, the device comes with 2 internal antennas and 1 optional external LTE antenna for enhanced signal strength. The V810V has device certifications from multiple regulatory standards such as FCC, PTCRB, Verizon ODI, and much more. For more information about the V810V, check out our website under products or reach out to anyone on the team or one of our partners if you're looking for a robust 4G LTE pod solution.